Hello again, I'm Ari Walker, fellow flipper chick of Sun Pacific Mortgage Real Estate. I had this idea earlier today, and it has to do with Sonoma County real estate, buying and selling of homes, hence the Sonoma County map behind me. I decided to get with flipper chick Lynn, and putting our heads together, we came up with this bright idea and wanted to share it with you. Now before you press the stop button, it has to do with FHA buyers and FHA offers. Now she's bought and sold many houses here in Sonoma County, so listen to this big, bright idea she has.
Hi, I'm Lynn, one of the flipper chicks with Sun Pacific, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about FHA loans. I've been reading the Chronicle on Sundays, the Chronicle in San Francisco, because they have really good articles in one of their real estate sections on lenders who write little stories about how they got the loan done, because there's a lot of difficult loans right now. And I know FHA clients are having a hard time winning the bid on the properties right now. There's a reason for this. We sell a lot of homes, and if it's an FHA buyer, that one is in this pile, and if it's a conventional loan, then that one's in this pile. If it's a cash loan, it's in this pile. But anyway, that's another story. The FHA comes after cash or conventional for two reasons. Number one, appraisal, and number two, home inspection. The appraisal is a problem with FHA because they have certain rules and regulations. FHA is more regulated than conventional right now, which is unusual. FHA used to be better than conventional, but right now it isn't. So any seller is going to be wary if it's an FHA loan with the offer. One way you can get around it is to remove the contingency on appraisal. If you remove the contingency on the appraisal, the buyer is able to come in with more cash if it doesn't appraise. Appraisals are hard right now because there's so many bids and they're getting bid up, but you have to wait for a comp to get to the FHA appraiser, et cetera, et cetera. It's just a mess right now. But if the buyer is educated on this and the buyer understands that they may have to pay over what the appraisal is, and they would be allowed to by FHA if they did have the contingency for the appraisal waived, then you may get that buyer to buy that house. Your job, I think, as a realtor, my job, is to get the buyer the house that they want. And if they're educated, and if they can, and if they agree, do everything possible to do that for them. Thank you.